Okay, guys, welcome back. This is now part 2. This is the last slide we left off on, so let's keep going. So it says the chart shows the amount budgeted monthly for each category in the Johnson's family budget. Which statement is best supported by the Johnson's family budget? Please take this time to take a pause in the video and try to work this one out on your own, okay? Using previously learned knowledge. So for our answer choices, we have A, less than 30% of the family's budget is spent on entertainment, food, and transportation each month. B, more than 40% of the family's budget is spent on rent and utilities each month. C, exactly 20% of the family's budget is spent on childcare each month. Or D, approximately 15% of the family budget is spent on utilities each month. If you got B, you are correct. And here's why. In order to solve the previous problem, first you should have added all of the different expenses together. So all of these expenses right here, you should have added them together to get the total monthly budget. Then you should have worked backwards by testing all the answer choices to see which one best fits the chart. When adding all of the expenses together, you should have gotten $2,432.50 for the monthly budget. Then 40%, which I'm getting the 40% from the answer choice B. Remember, I'm working backwards from the answer choices. 40% of $2,432.50 is $973. If you add the rent and utilities, like what it says in answer choice B, here's your rent and utilities right here. You get $1,100, which is more than 40% of a budget, like the answer choice suggested, right? So B, that is why B is your correct answer. I want you to try this one on your own. Again, please take a break in the video and try to work this problem. All right, so it says Maria's monthly income is $2,000. The table displays the different categories in Maria's monthly budget and the amount of money she spends in each category. Which statement is not, keyword, is not supported by the information in the table, right? So you should have gotten A as your answer. More than half of Maria's monthly income is spent on rent, right? You should have turned 1/2 into a percent and you get 50%, which is the only one that is not correct. She only spends 45% on rent monthly. The chart makes it really easy for you. It probably will not always be this easy for you because the chart is allowing you to just look, already have the percents there for you, and you just look at it and guess and check. So A says more than half of Maria's monthly. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry.
If you haven't already made yourself on the way to the lounge, report to the lounge at this time. Paraprofessionals, please report to the lounge if you haven't already done so. Thank you.
All right, guys. Sorry. That's what it is when we're at school, right? All right. So let's go ahead and get back into it, explaining. So looking at more than 1/2, remember we said this is going to be, you convert that and you should get 50%. And we see that she only spends 45% here. Then it says 15%. So we know that that was not supported by the table. This one says 15% into her monthly income into her savings. She does. This one says more than 1/4. 1/4 is 25%, right? They said it's coming from her utilities, cable, and groceries. If I had her utilities, her cable, and her groceries, I should get 26 because it's a 6 plus 4 plus 10. That's 26, which is more than 25%. So that's correct. Or Maria spends 14% of her monthly income on her cell phone and other expenses. So she spends 5% on her cell phone, 9% on her other expenses, which does equal 14, which it means that is supported by the table. The only one that is not supported by the table is A. Okay? That's all I have for you. If you have any questions, please come email me, or better yet, please come to office hours. You guys have not been coming to office hours, but I've been receiving a lot of emails about confusion. So please, please, please come to office hours. Have a great day, guys.